Hi everyone, I came to the Dollar Tree to get some fun things like paper plates and napkins. I really like these yellow and green plates, and ooh, look, they have matching napkins. I'm going to show you how to make my fun flower plates and also decorative napkins, perfect for a summer party. Take a section of the yellow napkins and stack them on top of another section of green napkins. Use a smooth glass and start swirling the napkins around. This glass I got from the Dollar Tree. Flip the stack of napkins over and start swirling on the other side. This technique will work with all types of square napkins and looks perfect for a buffet or party display. Now I'm going to show you how to turn my Dollar Tree plates into fun and festive flowers. Cut a V shape into the rim of the larger plate. Curve the edges of each petal and continue to cut V's around the plate. Use a different colored smaller plate to make the inside of the flower. You can use double-sided tape to put on the back of the small plate to attach. These flower plates are so pretty they can also be used as decorations. These napkins and plates will look great at your next summer party. Hope you enjoyed my video. Till next time, bye!